The 2026 Farrier F80 is a striking example of how innovation, performance, and elegance can be combined into a single extraordinary creation. This trimaran is designed to embody speed, stability, and comfort in ways that few other sailing yachts can match. At first glance, its silhouette immediately conveys its purpose: sleek, aerodynamic lines that cut effortlessly through the water while maximizing efficiency. The F80 carries the design heritage of Farrier, a name that has long been synonymous with high-performance multihulls, but elevates it to a futuristic level. Every detail has been carefully engineered to reduce drag, increase performance, and ensure that sailing it is as much a luxury experience as it is a thrilling adventure. Standing on the deck, one is instantly struck by the craftsmanship. The hulls are sculpted with precision, showcasing a blend of lightweight composite materials that deliver strength without compromise. The central hull is both commanding and elegant, while the amas on either side are designed for maximum hydrodynamic efficiency. The folding system, a hallmark of Farrier trimarans, has been reimagined for this larger platform, allowing the F80 to offer practicality without sacrificing performance. Whether docked in a marina or slicing across open seas, its presence is undeniable and magnetic. The bow presents a sharp, purposeful face, almost like the prow of a futuristic vessel designed for speed. The curvature and tapering of the forward sections help the yacht pierce waves with ease, reducing resistance and ensuring smooth handling even at high velocities. The deck is uncluttered, thanks to intelligent integration of lines and rigging, which are routed with precision to minimize visual distraction while maximizing sailing efficiency. The mast rises tall and proud, a symbol of the immense power that the sail plan can deliver. It is designed not only to harness the wind with authority but to balance control so that even at full performance, the yacht remains responsive and manageable. Moving towards the stern, the F80 displays its personality as both a racer and a luxurious cruiser. The transom opens wide, revealing a space that can be adapted for socializing, sunbathing, or launching water toys. This versatility is one of the defining traits of the yacht, blending hardcore performance DNA with the relaxed comforts expected of a world-class sailing vessel. The wide stance of the trimaran ensures stability that rivals much larger monohulls, giving passengers confidence whether in calm bays or challenging seas. The interior is where the F80 truly redefines expectations. Step inside and you are greeted by a space bathed in natural light, thanks to panoramic windows and clever use of glass. The design ethos here is modern minimalism infused with warmth, offering a living environment that feels both futuristic and inviting. Materials are selected not just for durability but for their tactile qualities, with soft leather finishes, polished wood accents, and advanced composites all blending seamlessly. The main salon opens into a generous living area with ample seating, dining space, and integrated technology that ensures every journey is as comfortable as it is connected. Lighting can be adjusted to suit the mood, from bright and energetic to soft and ambient during evening relaxation. The galley is designed with both professional functionality and aesthetic appeal in mind, offering everything needed for extended voyages without compromising on style. Cabins are thoughtfully arranged to provide maximum privacy and comfort. Each stateroom is a sanctuary, with large beds, fine linens, and storage solutions that make life at sea effortless. The master suite is particularly impressive, offering expansive space, en-suite facilities, and sweeping views that make waking up each morning a dreamlike experience. Guest cabins maintain the same attention to detail, ensuring that every person on board feels as though they are in a floating luxury hotel. Performance, however, is the soul of the F80. With its lightweight construction and optimized sail plan, this trimaran can achieve remarkable speeds, giving its captain and crew the exhilaration of flight across the water's surface. The balance between raw speed and refined control is where Farrier's engineering genius shines. Every turn, every adjustment of the sails, and every push of the wind translates into a seamless experience of power and precision. It is not merely sailing, it is a symphony of man, machine, and nature working in harmony. Safety has not been overlooked, with every system designed for reliability and redundancy. Navigation technology is state-of-the-art, with intuitive controls that allow even challenging maneuvers to be executed confidently. The structural integrity of the hulls, combined with the stability of the trimaran platform, ensures peace of mind in all conditions. Whether crossing oceans or enjoying coastal cruising, the F80 delivers security and confidence alongside its performance credentials. The 2026 Farrier F80 is more than just a yacht, it is a statement of ambition and vision.